everyone, it's Ziv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I wanted to share with you a quick project before I mail this out. This folio is inspired by Tamika from Scrap to World. She had posted on her Instagram as well as her YouTube this really neat idea on how to share some dies and little itsy bitsy things that are in your stash collectively to put in a little folio. So I'm trying to use up my stash little by little. And the other day I pulled out this Fashionista hot buy from Michael's that I had picked up probably last year. And I've collected a couple of things along the way from Tuesday Morning and Michael's, and so I wanted to share with you what I created. So this is the paper pack that I generally use to create this folio. But before I jump into the folio, let me show you the card that I made. So this is the card that I made for my sweet friend, and this is actually the base of the card is from the Michael's card stack, and this is a plain pink, and then I cut out this card mat, this stitch card mat, using the Jaded Blossom card mat dies, which is this one. And then I added, this is a cut apart from the paper pad, the hot buy paper pad. I added sparkle, which is, this is from the Cottage Cuts, the sparkle, and then I added a couple of enamel dots and stars, and so I'm not going to show the inside, but if you check out Paper Sweets Sophia, I'm sending this to her. So so that's my card, and a couple of goodies that I'm sharing with her. I found this Get It Girl and emery boards at Tuesday Morning, and so I made the topper is actually a rickrack topper from Jaded Blossom. This is the Jaded Blossom rickrack topper, and I used the paper pad to create this topper. This is a Sweet Lips, it's a punch that my sweet friend Tara, hi Tara, she had racked this to me a couple of months ago when she had picked it up at her Hobby Lobby. So thank you so much, Tara. I love it. And so I punched out a couple of these, one to put on the project and a couple to share with her. This is a card set that I picked up at Tuesday Morning. So this is the Lady Jane card set, and this is the SKU. I picked this up last year. And it's really cute. It kind of matches the collection, and there's 4 different designs, and so I am gifting her one of each design for her. And so I thought this was just a fun way, just putting it in a clear bag and sending it to her. This was actually made by my sweet friend Tara Finch on YouTube. She used the Tim Holtz rosette die, and then she just added this really pretty die that she had picked up on, I believe, Ally. So, and she just put it on one of these clothespins. I love that topper. So I'm gifting that to her. And then these are a couple of Michael's cards that were in their $1.50 bin a while back, maybe a year or 2 ago. And this one says Hey Hottie, and this one says Beautiful, and it's a really pretty like a prom dress. And then this is nail polish. And so I just made this topper for her, and then these are actually made by Tara Finch as well. So I'm using up my stash, Tara. So she had gifted this to me a while back. She makes her rosettes by sewing them up, and then she adds some bling to them, some glitter bling, and it comes out so cute. And these hearts are from the Target Spritz collection that I still have a lot of, so using up my stash. And what else? Oh, and then I also, I'm sending her a little cafe latte lollipop from Cease. And this is a lollipop die from Jaded Blossom. I love Jaded Blossom, one of my favorite die companies, stamp and die companies. So I pulled this out and I made this. The flap kind of goes over it. This is an Eva bow. Eva had racked me. I was one of her giveaway winners on her Instagram, and she racked me these really neat bows that she created using the paint, what are they called? At Lowe's and Home Depot, they have the little paint examples that you can get, and she cut them out and used them, and they're pretty sturdy to create bows. So I put one here and also here. Really cute. And so this is also from the paper collection. I created from the pillow box die. I created a little goodie to put in here. And so I sent her some of the rosette ribbon. And so let me put this to the side and show you. So this I created using craft cardstock, 12 by 12 craft cardstock, and chipboard pieces to make it really sturdy. It's a little folio, and this is a paper from the paper stack, from the Fashionista paper stack. This is these are thickers from American Crafts. It says Fabulous, as well as this. So as I open it up, I have, this is also stickers from the American Crafts. I put Real Lovely and glittered lips on the very top. I used my doily punch, and this is a rosette trim that I put on the in the middle with the base. I created a 1-inch base. And this is really easy to create, this folio. All you do is create, it's like creating a little mini album, except you're not adding the papers to bind it. You're just adding die cuts and different die cuts just to share. So it's loaded. So on the left page, I die cut a whole bunch of sparkle dies from the Cottage Cuts collection using some, let me see, I think this is some sparkly paper, some cream colored sparkle paper. And then these are Rick Rack toppers, and I cut her out several in different colors. And and then I included a couple of the paper collection, and then she can just decorate the fronts. This I found from my stash. Somebody had created this during a Paris meetup, so I'm gifting that to her. This is actually washi tape from the, it says hello, and it has a whole bunch of lips and hearts from the Modern Pop collection that was out at Michael's. And then these are some glittered lips in different colors. So I kind of separated the two, the top and the bottom. And then on this side, on the right side, Erica's from Scrap Diva 29. Hi, Erica. She had racked to me this really sweet perfume bottle. And this is from the Downtown Abbey. So she racked this to me last year, and I'm using it. So thank you, Erica. And I cut her up some pink and gold perfume bottles, and then Sophia can actually cut these pink ones out, and she can layer them if she wanted to. And these are some nail polish. Vero from Daisy Lou Designs. She hosted a Paris meetup last year, and she cut out a whole bunch of these nail polish dies. So I stuck them in a black envelope and stuck them here, as well as she created this little lipstick, and Sophia can use that as well. Here, these are some of the Lollipop dies that I cut out for her using the paper collection. And so she can use this any way she would like, to add lollipops, to add little, I've also used this to create little packets for the Whack-A-Packs, and I put them in here as well, or little candies. And then these are cut aparts from the paper collection. Excuse me, I have to be awesome. So that's what the folio looks like. And I wish I would have, this is my very first time that I've created the folio, and I wish I would have added more, just to kind of make several more flips, just to add more, maybe another row here. But I think I like how it turned out, and I hope Sophia likes it. On the back, I found this at Daiso, this little poodle little sticky note, and it says made with love especially for Sophia S. Paper Sweets. I forgot to put my name. So I will put my name in the card, and so anyways, this is what I created. It's sort of like a glam girl project for her. So happy belated birthday, Sophia. This is actually going out to her as a belated birthday gift. I'm so sorry that I'm sending this out to you super late. But I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, everybody, please leave it in the description box below. I will also link Paper Sweets YouTube, as well as Tamika's portfolio tutorial. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!